This is one out of many tutorials that is to be posted to the backup channel for computer science videos. In this tutorial, the question is, how do we attach a zip file to email on Gmail using a Mac computer? Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail, as well as a zip file that we will be attaching. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, search for this, enter to open up the web browser. Now let's go to the right top corner, go to the shortcut for Gmail, click on this, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we will do is go to a new desktop, create a quick zip file. I have an image, right click, compress. That has now been compressed to a zip file. Go back to the web browser. Now let's compose a brand new email, take that to full screen. Let's now type in the recipient, which will be admin@computersciencevideos.com. Let's choose a subject, zip file. Let's now compile the email. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Right arrow for autofill. Please see the attached zip file to this email. Kind regards, Computer Science Videos. And the name of the person sending the email, so that's myself. Let's now go to the bottom left corner, attach files, go to the desktop, locate that zip file that was created, click on this, open, and that should now be attaching to this email. We can now click on send. That has been sent. Let's click on view message. In this message, title being zip file, sent to admin@computersciencevideos.com. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. I hope that you are doing well. Please see the attached zip file to this email. Kind regards, Computer Science Videos. Click on this. We cannot open the zip file. In fact, we can. And here we have that screenshot, but we will need to download the zip file itself in order for us to then extract. And here we have the zip file in the recent downloaded history and in Finder, so we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.